Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Uniswap token. In my previous video, I showed you how the price line of Uniswap has completed a very big bullish reversal setup. That was in fact a harmonic bullish reversal bat move that I shared for my members at the Patreon, and then I also shared with you as well with the complete buying and sell targets. And this pattern was formed on the 2-day chart. And I was expecting up to 79% move. However, most of the times it happens that the price line even crosses above the sell targets, which I define as per the Fibonacci sequence of any harmonic move. Like this one was formed on the 2-day chart, and the buying zone was starting from $16.63 and goes to $14.93, and the sell targets were from $20.69 and goes to $26.77. Now if I play the chart, then we can see that the price line reversed bullish from this potential reversal zone and rallied up to $31.41. That was more than 120% big rally. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon, and if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link to join me here in the video description. You can find there. Okay, this was another article that I shared on 3rd of July after this pattern, when the price action after this move broke down this up channel and formed this down channel. The important thing which I want to show you on this chart are the different support and resistance levels. Like in my previous video, I showed you that we have very strong support, a key support at $14. Then we have the next support at $17, and at that time, while moving in this channel, the price action broke out this $17 resistance, and it was using it as a support. Then our next resistance was $20, then $25, and then $30. Now after playing the chart, we can see that the price action exactly rejected by this $30 resistance level. You can see the price action broke out the next resistance of $17. First it moved down here after this breakout, moved down here at the key level support, moved up again and broke out the 20, 25, and it rejected by $30. Very strongly rejected. You can see the price action tried hard to break out for several days. This is the daily time frame chart, and moved between 30 to 25 support and resistance levels, but eventually it moved down, and right now it is at the support of $20 again. Now if we switch to the daily time frame, live daily time frame chart, then here we can see after this move, if I play some trend lines, then right now again the price action is likely to form a down channel, another down channel. We have a support confirmed, like we have several tests at the support. You can see we have tests here, we have some touch points here and here, and recently the price action is likely to move up from this another touch point. Therefore this support is confirmed, and we have few touch points at the resistance, but once more, if the price line will be rejected or it will have some touch more at the resistance, then the resistance will be confirmed. So it is likely to be another formation of the down channel. And if we take a look at the stochastic oscillator, then it is also supporting this move, because you can see whenever the price line is moving at the support and the stochastic is visiting the oversold, then the stochastic is moving up and the price line is also following the signals of stochastic. And after it visiting here in the overbought zone, if the price line is at the resistance and the stochastic moves down, the price action is moving down with the stochastic. And right now it is happening again. You can see that the price action is moved at the support and the stochastic has entered the oversold zone, and this blue line of the stochastic has crossed up this orange line. That is a buying signal by the stochastic, and when the stochastic gives the sell signal, that is when the orange line crosses down this blue line, especially from the overbought zone, from this zone. That is very strong sell signal. So right now on the daily time frame, we have received this buying signal. Previously we received this buying signal here. The price action moved at the resistance and moved down again, and right now we have again received another buying signal. And now it is possible that the price line will once more visit the resistance of this down channel. That is also our next price level resistance as well, that is at $25. You can see we have approximately this resistance coming at $25. However, if the price action breaks down the support of the channel, then the price line can move down to the next support at $17. Now let me just show you the weekly time frame chart. Here I want to show you that while the price action is at the support of this down channel, at the same time the price line is also testing the weekly simple moving average 50. This green line is the weekly simple moving average with the 50 time period. That is a very strong support on the weekly time frame. And here we also have this support of $20 that I have already shown you, that we are moving above this $20 support. Then we will have the next support here at $17 and then $14. Right now, if I place this pattern here to highlight this area, you can see that this area is very strong and key level support for the price line of Uniswap. You can see previously when the price action entered in this zone after breaking it out, it worked as a very strong support here. And when we had this very strong drop, very drastic drop, the price action used this level again as a support in May 2021 and moved up again. And when the price action moved down again in the month of June in this area, when I shared the harmonic move with you, at that time the price action again used this very strong support zone from $20 to $17. And right now the price action has again entered in this zone that starts from $20 and goes to $17. But we also have an additional support of 50 simple moving average and also the support of this channel as well. Therefore, the reversal is possible. However, if this support zone will be broken down, that will be not good, because this is key support for the price line. Right now it is working as a key level support zone for the price line of Uniswap. Therefore, we need to watch out for this next move, whether the price line will be reversed from here or not. I'm expecting that we are having so many supports here, the price line can have a reversal from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.